Mi gente, mi gente, mi gente. Guys, we're in Queens, baby, the home of the New York Mets. That's right, guys. And in case you didn't know, this week happened to be the game opening season for the Mets and the Yankees. There's nothing here or there, guys, because it's not about the Mets or the Yankees. It's about the HVAC Papi and the A-team. And right now, we're installing a Daikin single-zone 12,000 BTU unit. You guys are probably saying, Louis, what's going on behind you? Well, right now, we're finished wrapping up installing a condenser unit, an outdoor condenser. Take notice of detail, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed on the video. Pay attention to detail. Detail is what matters. So not only does it have to look good, has to work good, has to look clean, baby, and it has to be all straight and level. So guys, take a look. So I want to show you, it's on the L bracket right now off the wall. Right now we got the line sets inside the slim duct, nice and straight. You guys can see everything's about not only that has to work, it has to look good, it has to look primo, baby. So notice that it's Theo. That's right, Theo right here is cleaning up, making sure it look good, sexy. I know the ladies are probably saying, "Oh, I want Theo." I know. But hey, he's available. I'll give you a number if you want. So guys, check it out over here. Check this out. So this is the outlet. This is where all the pipes comes out, right on this side. And it's pretty tight. So guys, I always say measure 1, 2, 3 times, 5 times, whatever it takes, because we had to double check and make sure it's gonna work, because we got the chimney here and notice how tight it is here, but we made it work. It was a little tight, that's what she said, but it worked. So guys, come on down, I wanna show you guys. Oh, another thing I wanna show you guys real quickly. Over here, notice that we have the holes here for the condensation. So yes, we could have just left it here with terminated right here. However, you always think about the future. You don't want to have any puddles of water, anybody slipping. So the guys just put a few L brackets, galvanized because it's outdoors, put outside, take a look, and it's wrapping around the chimney all the way to the corner right over here. So good thing is, any condensation is going to be in this area right here. It's going to be in the actual grass area. So, hey, it worked out. So we're not collecting water, or we're avoiding anybody from slipping, because that was not what we want, and we don't want any lawsuits. Hell no. Come downstairs. All right, guys. Take a quick look. Woo! All right. Oh, man, I like the jam here. We're having a party, baby. We're having an HVAC party. So come on down. Take a look. So we have a single zone. We put it right on this side of the wall. It makes sense, because this is actually the long way. So it makes sense. The only thing is that I personally don't like, that's just me, is that I would have liked to make it a little bit higher. Unfortunately, there's something's out of my control, because you see the ceiling is boxed in. There's something going on here. I believe this is a steam riser. Okay, it is a steam boiler. So, hey, sometimes you can't get everything what you want, but it is going to work, which is the most important thing, right? Because some guy's going to say, "Oh, why couldn't you make it a little higher?" Duh! Don't you see what's going on over here? I can't change that. But what I could do is make sure these people are going to be cool all summer long and all nice and toasty in the winter time. That's what it's about. So now that you see the unit, you got the control right here on the right, because easy access, especially when you're coming down the stairs from upstairs. Let me show you the back end work. So come take a look. All right, guys, I always say, listen, you work with what you got and make things look better, pretty, as best as possible. So over here, the good thing is this is the boiler room, the mechanical room. So this is something you're not going to see. So, it's a little bit more forgiving. I don't want it to look sloppy and ugly, but it has to look good. It's a little forgiving because, hey, listen, nobody's going to see what's going on behind the scenes. So come, let me show you. All right, guys. So notice we got the line sets here. The line sets and the communication wires going up right through the top. And remember what I told you guys outside about the chimney? The chimney, well, this is the boiler room. The chimney's right here. And look how tight it is right here. I mean, it's tight. And that's how they like it. That's how we like it. That's how the HVAC Papi likes it too. Tight. And it's right inside this little soffit right here under the floor joist. So it was just right. It was the sweet spot, baby. So that's exactly what we did. It worked out. We have the condensate pump over here. And the good thing is we have an outlet right over here. So it makes matters so much easier. It's just, I love when things comes nice and smooth and easy, because listen, I don't want to overcomplicate things. This is not about complicating things. This is about making things easy as possible. So nobody's gonna see the condensate pump. The good thing is it's behind the wall. Hey, it's doing its job. Condensation is going outside. We got an outlet nearby. Oh, and the power source coming from the actual panel. The guy snuck it into the ceiling, which I thought was a great idea. So you can't really see anything. However, you can see a little bit over here, but nobody's paying attention to this, because remember, guys, it's a mechanical room. Listen, this is like a closet. This is where you throw your junk. This is where you throw your old dirty thongs in, whatever. But guess what? You see this? This is with the communication wire. I could be a little picky. Hey, but you know what? Nobody's paying attention to this, so it's not bad. The only thing I would say, I maybe tell the guys, maybe put a zip tie here or two. Just keep it nice and tight. And that's the way the HVAC Papi likes it. So guys, If there's anything you learned about this video, I would say, guys, pay attention in detail. Also know that it is a team effort. It's not about the HVAC Papi, it's about the A-team. And guys, this is where it's at. Summer's approaching, summer is coming, Memorial Day weekend is around the corner. And guys, listen, who want to be in that barbecue with this heat? Well, let me help you. Hit me up, the HVAC Papi at 516-377-5200, and let's make sure you're cool all summer long. Wepa! Woo! Dale!
Till 7:59 a.m.
Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Luis. Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente.
How you doing, my gente? This is Theo from New York Boiler Air Conditioner Repair. Today we're going to install a 12,000 BTU Daikin unit. We already proceeded to make the hole 2.5 inches to go through with the line set, high and low pressure. Also, we're gonna run from here the high voltage all the way up to the end of the steam dock 77, and we're gonna install the bracket at the end, so the unit practically what we're gonna do is run the cable for the high voltage and communication wire all the way up to here. This unit is not going to be used easily with the bracket open. So we have to come here like a 30 feet, 40 feet, something like that. So stay tuned. We're going to put the disconnect box over here. And the boys are downstairs. Put it in the air hand, the split evaporator. So stay tuned and see what's going to happen. Wepa!
Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis, ya llegó el aire. Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero.
It's Louis the Boiler Man, your HVAC Papi, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioner Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep you cool all summer long.
Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Wepa!
What are we doing today, Tio?
12,000 BTU Daikin split unit. We already opened the foundation area. It's kind of cold today, like about 34 degrees. Let's see what happened. How's everything going?
Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero.
It's Louis the Boiler Man, your HVAC Papi, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioner Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep you cool all summer long.
Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Louis. Wepa! llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York bola en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero.
¡Huepa! It's Louis the Boiler Man, your HVAC Papi, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long. ¡Huepa!
Louis, 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 Lou. Louis, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Lou. ¡Huepa! Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis, ¡guau! Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis, ¡guau! Ya llegó el aire. Louis, 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 Lou. Louis, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York bola en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. El aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis, ¡guau! Ya llegó el aire. Louis, 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 Lou. Louis, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York bola en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero.
¡Huepa! It's Louis the Boiler Man, your HVAC Papi, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long. ¡Huepa!
Louis, 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 Lou. Louis, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Lou. ¡Huepa! Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis, ¡guau! Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis, ¡guau! Ya llegó el aire. Louis, 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 Lou. Louis, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York bola en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero.
Mi gente, it's Louis the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa! I'm the Boiler Man, that's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New York Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you, I wanna please you, I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Oh yeah, I'm the Boiler Man, I'm the Boiler Man.